Hello, and welcome to this week's Middle East AI News Roundup. My name is Anna. In the United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank has become the first UAE bank to introduce the use of facial recognition to perform instant and secure verification for the opening of new customer bank accounts. New customers can take a selfie for final ID verification, and according to ADIB, the entire process can be completed in less than 5 minutes. The move follows the UAE Cabinet's approval of the use of facial recognition in public and private sector service delivery earlier this year. This week, the UAE National Program for Artificial Intelligence has launched the Learn AI platform to enhance student and youth awareness about the latest developments in artificial intelligence and help to support the country's future demands for AI talent. The National Program for Artificial Intelligence focuses on supporting AI and robotics to enrich, enhance, and enforce government initiatives and programs across all sectors. And in aviation news, the Saudi General Authority of Civil Aviation is developing a regulatory framework for heavy-lift drones, according to the head of the country's Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution, Mansour Al-Saleh. This aspect of regulation is being developed in collaboration with the Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution, the Ministry of Transport, and Saudi Aramco. However, the timeframe for finalizing and implementing the new Saudi drone regulations remains as yet unknown. And good news for Abu Dhabi's R&D ecosystem, as the Emirates Global Applied Research Center, Technology Innovation Institute announces its first CEO, Dr. Ray Johnson. Johnson brings over 40 years' experience in global leadership in technology and venture capital to the institute. Established by Advanced Technology Research Council last year, the institute already operates 7 specialized research centers and employs over 200 people. And that's all we have time for this week. For more information, more stories, and useful links, subscribe to the weekly newsletter, served up fresh and hot every Thursday morning. Visit MiddleEastAINews.com to subscribe. That's MiddleEastAINews.com. Thanks for watching. See you next week.